Okay, everyone, let's meet Sierra, who is right at home working in front or behind the camera. She's a first-generation student majoring in communications. Let's head over to Blodgett Hall, where she'll tell us how Adelphi's approach to learning is very unique and how the support she gets from professors and classmates is literally changing her life. Sierra, over to you.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to be involved in a creative field, but I wasn't sure exactly where I wanted to be. After taking a media production course during my first year, I was inspired to go into communications with a concentration in digital production here at Adelphi. One thing I love about Adelphi is our professors take a personalized approach to our academics. We have small class sizes, and it's very different from sitting in a large lecture hall. Ever since my first semester, I've had tons of one-on-one meetings with all of my professors about different projects and assignments, and I've had a hands-on experience with a ton of different camera and sound equipment. So everything we work on is very personal. My classmates and I are always helping each other out on video shoots, and our professors are extremely helpful in teaching us a combination of editing softwares. Many professors in our department have also had their films showcased at different film festivals, and they're able to connect students with great internships, from local internships to even bigger opportunities in New York City, such as Saturday Night Live. One of my favorite things about Adelphi is its location. We have New York City right in our backyard, and you'll be in Manhattan in no time for either your internship or a field trip in business, arts, communications, or technology. Coming to college as a first-generation student, I was very nervous about making friends and finding my place, but once I got to Adelphi, it felt just like home. Now, as a senior, I can't wait to finish up my education and see what this field has in store for me. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Sierra, it's amazing how personalized attention from your professors can have such an impact. The camaraderie among you and your fellow comm students is absolutely awesome, and it sounds like you'll be ready to roll after you graduate. We can't wait to see where you end up. Please keep up with us, okay? Take care, Sierra.